Alright, alright. How's it been, everyone? Good night today? No, I don't care. Anyways, day 35. 35? I think. 36. Day 36. Damn, bro, I'm actually averaging mad views. Yeah, day 36 today. Um, Today was an eventful day. Oh, school. Fucking hate that shit. It was 12:41 a.m. 10th of October, 8th of October, 2025, 12:41 a.m. I've been averaging like 5 hours of sleep every day. Um, that's probably not good. Actually, that's horrible. Actually, I need to get more sleep. But truth be told, I just do work better at night. So, and I'm not gonna stop myself at all from doing any work. Like I'm not gonna stop myself from doing work just to get sleep, cause that's some bum shit. But yeah, solid work done today. Um, so let's just do a run through what we did today. So today, I finally got my Shopify payments up. Shout out Amazing Rhino. So we can now finally advance towards the new chapter of the product, which is the ad testing. Um, we're actually not fully there yet because there was one thing that I actually forgot to do, which is quite an important thing, which is post-purchase email flows, and I just set up that today. Um, I've been doing that for like the last hour. So we set up a campaign for a post-purchase, just a little exclusive offer campaign. And I realized when I clicked off and finished that campaign, there's also a refund offer. I mean, the refund email campaign. There's a canceled order campaign. There's a bunch of different other aspects, like different campaigns you can do for different situations. And I've only done one, and there's probably like six or seven. So yeah, I have to do those, but I'll probably do those tomorrow. We also started up the ad account. So yeah, I've set up the ad account. It's ready to just pump out a campaign. I will start pumping out the campaigns as soon as I finish my email flows, which hopefully I can get that done by tomorrow maybe. I'm gonna do some more research on Klaviyo just so I understand what a good email looks like. Because quite frankly, the campaign I made today, I low-key say was very rushed, very shit. But I don't think it needs to look that good. I was just like, yeah, this works. This is great. Um, yeah. But I'm gonna do some research on Klaviyo, and maybe there's some things I can learn about how to make my campaigns look better. But yeah. So my first campaign is a little chopped, but it's wouldn't say it's a test. I could literally use that as my in-game final product, but I will not do that, or I will have to see about that. Um, Also, do want to find an upsell product to increase AOV. Have yet to found that to find that. I don't think I will build out another product page for that one. Just probably will just hide that from the catalog and just put it in the inventory and just like set it up as an upsell offer. But so that's about it for the store. A lot to do still. I have my marketing strategies in place, or I've done some research on that. As far as campaigns go, I'm gonna. I've been looking at a bunch of AI resources to make video ads, and I found a few. Shout out all those Discord servers I was joining. I was able to find a bunch of good resources from there. So yeah, I'll have to look into those to make AI videos. Could potentially do UGC as well. Definitely don't know if I will make the UGC, but I'm trying to understand how to make better ads, or trying to understand how to make my own ads, because I low-key thought you would just be ripping off other people's ads. It turns out in this industry, you actually do make your own ads, and a lot of the conversions you get is actually very dependent on how well you make your ads. So that is another skill which I will have to, familiarize myself with and master if I want to get good at this shit. So a lot of different skill sets you need for this. It's not just like producing a store and linking a supplier. It's like you gotta understand marketing and psychology and your customer. Really, it's crazy. Uh, it's a lot easier now with AI. So actually, I can't imagine how this would be in like 4 years ago. But that's none of my concern. So that's about it for today. The day, pretty alright. School is pretty fucking boring, as always. I actually have another math exam tomorrow. Pretty sure I nearly failed the first one today. But I don't really give a shit. It's literally a preliminary exam. So I actually couldn't give two fucks if I failed. I got another one tomorrow. I did not study anything for it. I said I was gonna study, but I said that yesterday and I didn't do anything. So just believe I'm not studying anything. As long as I pass, I pass. I don't really care. It's a prelim. I might have to focus more on when it actually does start up. But school really does decrease the efficiency of my work. But these past few days, I have not let that stop me, because mentally, I am not in the school mindset, or I'm not in the school zone yet. I'm still in the holidays, working my ass off on the store. I'm not in that. I'm not in that mindset of going to school. So yeah, school's not that big of a deal for me right now. And I actually don't think it'll be for the rest of the year, because internals are done, exams will be whatever. But yeah, not too focused, not too worried about school right now. Just trying to get this out for the Q4 season, because I want to move on to another product. I haven't given up on this product yet. It's definitely still scalable. Definitely still possible. I just have some more ideas in mind about other products I would like to try out. Yeah. Um. Yeah. So that's about it for today. I did my cardio today. I went on like 2 runs, played 30 minutes of basketball, ended off the day with a calm little 1,000 calories burned. The cut is going well. I've been eating my protein pretty well. I think I hit like 140, maybe 150 grams of protein today, for only like, I'm gonna say, well, I'd say I ate like 2.3 thousand today, but I burned 1,000, so I actually only ate like 1,300. So that's great. Yeah, that's lucky how I do the cutting. It's really time consuming, really effort. There's a lot of effort to it. Like, I eat like a normal person, but I just burn 1,000 calories, and then that's considered cutting. Hey, but it works. And I'm hitting my protein too. So it's actually really important you hit that protein. So you could be doing the same thing I'm doing, but if you're not hitting your protein, it's not gonna have the same effect. So protein hitting is great. And also Musashi protein bars. That is the play. That and Premier Protein 30-gram milk. That shit is nothing but a cheat code. 70 grams of protein for like fucking 600 calories, bro. It's insane. Enough yapping about that. So hopefully, bro, a lot of ambitions. Hopefully I get a 6-pack and I'm cutting it on lean. Hopefully I make $1 million and I'm set and I don't have to do this and get a degree and go to my job for the rest of my life. Hopefully I can, look sexy and get a mod cut and mog everyone. And hopefully I can get a Maybach van by day 100. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. It was day 36. Have a good night.